Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Hux World, and yes I did, I decided to continue the dark theme mode watch faces. Hopefully you like this one just as well. Now the name of it is called Dark Large Numbers. In the AOD mode you will get the exact same look so far as your digital time is concerned, minus the background theme. But once it's on, you'll get the day of the week, your date, nice stack, legible digital time. You're gonna get your heart rate to the left, your battery percentage to the right, along with a PM stamp. And down at the bottom, people, for those of you all who like to keep up with your steps are down at the bottom. Now if you want to go into it, just simply double tap and it'll bring it up. My watch is temperamental. I got a lot loaded on here. Same thing for your calendar, and double tap in the middle, you'll be able to set an alarm as well. Now what I like most about this watch face, especially considering that the watch face is free, but double tap on the PM stamp, I could change the thing to 24 different themes. So depending on how you're feeling for that day or what theme you like, you can set this to whatever theme you want to. We're just going to cycle through a few more just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this super awesome casual digital watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.